Today, I want to share with you my daily energy boost routine that helps me stay productive throughout the day. It's packed with foods and habits that give me the energy I need to tackle my tasks with focus and motivation. I'm sure many of you can relate to feeling sluggish or lethargic during the day, whether it's after lunch or in the afternoon when you're trying to get work done. We've all been there, right? But what if I told you that there are ways to combat these energy crashes and stay focused and energized throughout the day? One of the biggest energy challenges people face is the afternoon slump. You know, that feeling of exhaustion that hits you after lunch, making you want to curl up and take a nap. And then there's the lack of focus. When you're trying to get work done, but your mind keeps wandering off and you just can't seem to concentrate. Another common energy challenge is the mid-morning crash. You wake up feeling energized, but by the time you've had your morning coffee, your energy levels start to dip. And let's not forget about the post-lunch crash when you're feeling full and lethargic after eating a big meal. So, what can we do to combat these energy challenges? That's what I'm going to share with you today. I'll be diving into the specific foods and habits that make up my daily energy boost routine and how they help me stay energized and focused throughout the day. First up, let's talk about protein. I make sure to include a source of protein in every meal, whether it's eggs, Greek yogurt, or lean meats like chicken or turkey. Protein takes longer to digest than carbs, which means it provides a sustained energy boost that lasts for hours. Another important part of my daily energy boost routine is complex carbohydrates. Foods like whole grain bread, brown rice, and sweet potatoes provide a slow release of energy, keeping me fueled and focused throughout the day. And let's not forget about healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and seeds are all rich in healthy fats that support brain function and provide a feeling of fullness and satisfaction. But it's not just about the food. My daily energy boost routine also includes some important habits. Staying hydrated is key, so I make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. And getting enough sleep is crucial. I aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to ensure I'm well rested and energized in the morning. My favorite meal that gives me the biggest energy boost is a breakfast bowl with scrambled eggs, whole grain oats, and avocado. The protein from the eggs provides a sustained energy boost, while the complex carbs from the oats keep me fueled throughout the morning. And the healthy fats from the avocado support brain function and provide a feeling of fullness and satisfaction. I also love snacking on nuts and seeds throughout the day. Almonds are a particular favorite of mine. They're rich in healthy fats and protein and provide a quick energy boost when I need it. And let's not forget about the caffeine boost from a cup of green tea. It's the perfect pick-me-up when I'm feeling sluggish in the afternoon. So, to recap, my daily energy boost routine includes a combination of protein, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and important habits like staying hydrated and getting enough sleep. By incorporating these foods and habits into your daily routine, you can say goodbye to energy crashes and hello to a boost of energy and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite energy-boosting foods and habits? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about energy and productivity, be sure to check out my other video on the topic. See you in the next one.